Another reason why visions do not get realized is because they are not broken down into measurable goals or objectives. So in this video, I'm going to share about how to break your visions into measurable goals, into SMART goals. And if you do not know how to set a vision for life, then you can watch my another video and I will be sharing the link in the description as well. And I have a surprise and an announcement that I will be doing a free giveaway for my first 100 subscribers, and I will be providing one free coaching to the subscriber whose name is drawn out in the lucky draw. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe so that your name is in the lucky draw. So let's get started. So let's unleash the power of goal setting. And I will be sharing some slides on the screen so you can refer to these examples and understand them better. Or, as I said, visions don't become realized if they are not broken into measurable goals. And high achievers are the ones who set goals. So, goals need to be written down and the progress needs to be reviewed weekly once, and a small 5 minutes daily check in is also very essential. So, we need to set measurable objectives for every aspect of our vision. And I will give you examples on how to do that for different categories of life, like relationships, financial, spiritual, um, personal, So, what is an objective? Something I want which is measurable by me and someone else. And how you can measure it in space and time? It is by defining how much do you want to achieve and by when do you want to achieve your goal. So let's start taking few examples. In this slide, person A says, I'd like a winter home. But a person B who has set this goal into a measurable objective says, I will own a 2-bedroom home. I will own a 2-bedroom beachfront villa on the west coast of Maui, Hawaii by January 1st, 2027 at noon. So do you see the difference between the two? Person A has a vision and it is a vague vision, a vague idea in his mind, versus person B who is more clear, who has defined his goal into a measurable objective. He knows what he wants, by when he wants, and how much he wants by defining it into a 2-bedroom. And he has also defined where he wants it. Now let's go to the next example. Person A says, I'd like to make a difference in education in Mexico. Person B says, I will conduct a 1-day self-esteem workshop for 30 teachers in Mexico City by 5 p.m. October 30th, 2024. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can write your goals and write them in statements that start with I will. Because when we are making a goal, we are defining it and we are trying to measure it, and we understand that it is not achieved. But affirmations is something in the present tense, like it starts from I am. So that's the difference between a goal and the affirmation. Okay, so let's go to the next example. Person A says, I'd like to increase my income. Person B says, I will earn $100,000 by 5 p.m. December 31st, 2024. So, this person B has decided how much increase he wants, and then he has calculated it to what his earning potential will be, and then he has written it with I will statement and defined it by how much and when. So the next example is, I am going to lose weight and get fit. Person B says, I will weigh 150 pounds and complete a 10K run by August 1st, 2024. Okay, so the idea is to be specific by when and by how much. I encourage you to break your vision into measurable goals and objectives and write them on a piece of paper or a diary and start with I will statements. In my next video, I'll be sharing more about goals and how you can set your vision for life. In my next video, I'll be sharing more about goals, like what is an outcome goal and what is a process goal, and more about goals. And remember to subscribe my channel, as I will be giving you more updates on how to enter the giveaway and how you can get selected for one-on-one coaching. Bye for now. See you in my next one.